Hello guys, today's topic is key concepts in biology. This is the first topic in GCSE biology and I have referenced all the information from my school textbook, which is designed like a quick revision before the exam. So all my videos will be in a similar format. Before the video starts, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bacterial cell. Here let's go through some quick facts. So bacterial cells are much smaller than plant and animal cells. Bacterial cells are also prokaryotes, so they're single-celled organisms with no nucleus, and cell walls alone will determine the precise shape of the bacteria. Now let's go through a quick overview of what the bacterial cell actually has. So let's start off with the bacterial DNA that is just floating in the cytoplasm. So the bacterial DNA is the blue S-shaped figure inside. Then we have the cell wall, which is primarily the yellow border around the cell. The plasmid DNA is the orange circle inside the pinkish kind of liquid. Then we have the cell membrane. Lastly, we have the flagella, which is the tail-like protrusion that is coming out of the cell. Firstly, I'm going to explain about bacterial DNA. The DNA of bacterial cells is found loose in the cytoplasm. It is called chromosomal DNA and is not contained within the nucleus. Following this, we have the plasmid DNA. So the plasmids are small closed circles of DNA present in their cytoplasm. So unlike the chromosomal DNA, plasmid DNA can move from one bacterium to another, which can create variation among the bacteria species. Lastly, we have the flagella. So this is a whip-like tail and allows the bacteria cell to move. Let's talk about specialized cells. Specialized cells are cells designed to carry out a particular role in the body. They have structures that are adapted for their function. Now let's look at three human specialized cells: the egg cell, the sperm cell, and the ciliated epithelial cell. Now let's talk about the egg cell. The first point I'd like to make is that the egg cell has nutrient-filled cytoplasm. This is so that the embryo can grow and develop in it. After that, the haploid nucleus. A haploid nucleus is essentially a nucleus with 23 chromosomes. So when the egg and the sperm fuse together, they add up to make 46 chromosomes. So the total amount of chromosomes in a human body. Finally, the cell membrane that hardens after fertilization. This is to avoid other sperm cells trying to, get in. Now let's move on to the sperm cell. The first feature a sperm cell has is the acrosome. The acrosome contains enzymes to digest through the egg cell membrane. Next, it has the mitochondrion. This is the site of respiration for the cell, and it provides the energy the cell needs to swim towards the egg cell. Finally, we have the flagella, a whip-like structure that is used to help the cell swim towards the egg cell. So essentially, a flagella is like a tail. Note that a flagella is also present in bacterial cells. Finally, we will talk about the ciliated epithelial cells. So essentially, the ciliated epithelial cells have one main feature. This is the layer of moving hairs. This helps move dirt and other objects away from important parts of the body. So, these cells are often located in the trachea and the oviduct. The thin layer of moving hairs are called cilia. Their main job is to move mucus, so a collection of foreign material, away from the body. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped with your studies and your exam.